Staring at a trading chart for the first time feels like reading a foreign language. Candlesticks, oscillators, moving averages, volume bars. What does it all mean? And more importantly, how do you use these signals to actually make trading decisions? Today, we're breaking down trading indicators and market signals in the simplest way possible. Let's decode the chart together. First question: what exactly is a trading indicator? Think of indicators as translators. They take raw price data and translate it into easy-to-read signals about momentum, trend direction, and potential reversals. Here's an example. Price moves up and down chaotically, but RSI translates that movement into a simple 0 to 100 scale. Above 70, market might be overbought, too hot. Below 30, oversold, too cold. We're looking for just right conditions. All indicators fall into three simple categories. First, trend indicators like moving averages. These answer one question: which direction is the market heading? Think of them as your compass. Second, momentum indicators like RSI and MACD. These answer, how strong is the current move? Is momentum building or fading? They're your speedometer showing if the market is accelerating or slowing down. Third, volume indicators. These answer the most important question: is this move real or fake? High volume confirms price moves. It's like seeing thousands of traders agree with the direction. Low volume? That's a warning sign of weak conviction. Now here's where it gets powerful: combining signals. A single indicator can lie, but multiple indicators confirming each other? That's your high probability setup. Watch this. RSI shows oversold, price touches support level, and volume starts increasing. Three independent signals all screaming, buy. That's confirmation, not guesswork. But what if you're still confused about which indicators to use together? That's where PineGen AI becomes your secret weapon. Simply describe what you're looking for. Find trades when RSI is oversold and volume confirms, and AI builds the complete strategy instantly, combining the right indicators automatically. Stop guessing which indicators work together. PineGen AI does the heavy lifting, turning your trading logic into professional strategies with proper indicator combinations, tested and ready to deploy. Transform from confused beginner to confident trader. Start building indicator-based strategies today with PineGen AI.